So we're here in Tigard, near Portland, and HAPA HOWIE'S in Tigard, probably like, what do you say, like 20 minutes south of Portland? About 15 minutes? Yeah, so got the spam musubis, and then what is this, the tuna, ahi tuna, poke nachos. This is the tuna.
Oh, babe, our drinks?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay.
Hell yeah. Looks bomb, for sure. Awesome. So, Jen's gonna take her first bite.
Oh my god. That's delicious.
Like, how delicious? How would you describe the flavor?
We asked for both sweet and spicy, and you can definitely taste both.
Awesome.
It's good.
I'm a big fan of the Yard House poke nachos, so yeah, man. I want to see how this compares to it.
It doesn't compare.
It doesn't compare?
This is good.
This is better? No.
Try it. Here.
That's crazy. Man, your shirt. Oh. Oh no. The girlies are hungry. Alright, so try some of these poke nachos right here with some nachos right here. Oh man, it's like falling off the fork. What am I grabbing here? Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Oh. Wow. 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 So the tuna is super fresh. It just melts in your mouth. I'm a big sauce guy, so it seems like they put extra sauce on everything. Just like naturally, so it's really good. Not dry at all. The nachos are really bomb. It's like the same nachos from Yard House. Yeah, wonton chips. It's bomb. Sick. Bro. You guys gotta try this out. If you're ever in the Portland area, it's good stuff. Yeah.
I'm wearing a bib.
I give it a high rating, 5 out of 5. I'm pretty sincere about this one. It's the best. I think it's one of the best poke nachos I had ever.
Yeah, that was definitely better than Yard House poke nachos. 5.
I don't know. I'm just kidding. Yeah, it's pretty damn good.